I am not sure exactly where to start from. Let's just say this is going to be one of the most awesome vlogs so far. My friend Raymond is a pilot, and he's just finishing up his last couple of hours of training flight. So he straight up called and he said, bro, what you doing? And I was like, just driving back from Dallas. And he said, would you like to go on a ride with me on the plane? And I was like, hell yeah. So that's what's happening for this vlog. I'm very excited. I'm here at the regional airport here in Durant. I'm guessing he's pulling over. So I am really excited for what is about to happen. We're about to take this to the next. So 3 times next. That means like really serious next level. I think my brother is right here.
Acre Field. Brian. Raymond. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm about to go to the St-laurent Lake for sightseeing. Okay. See you later. See you later, alligator. That's my friend.
Yeah? Were you talking to him?
Yeah, I'm on the way. Do you want to try? Use the rudder to turn left and right.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
There's a turn.
You want me to turn?
Yeah.
Grand Sunday, Cessna 464 Wednesday, upper wing, runway 17,
Follow the line.
Wednesday.
I have control.
Yeah, did I do a good job or did I suck at it?
A little bit of dog at it. Good for first time. Durant traffic is Cessna 524 in Quebec, close your runway 17 left now for Durant check.
What's the name of this airplane?
Huh?
What is the name of
Durant
the
Acre Field.
airplane?
Cessna 152.
Okay. How old is it?
I think it's 90, 70s, 80, 90, 70s. Durant traffic, Cessna 524 in Quebec, taking off runway 17 now for Durant traffic.
Grand Sunday, Cessna 464 Wednesday, turn left for the wing, runway 17, Grand Sunday.
How is it?
It's fantastic.
Enjoying the view?
This is my first time
Yeah,
to be on a 2-seated plane,
yeah,
so that's why the experience is exotic.
yeah.
Are we still taking off?
Yeah, I'm thinking about around a little bit higher.
0060 inform, left crosswind for 18,
Maybe just it's different from the big airplane. In a big airplane, you can't see anything. You cannot see anything. Yeah. There's just a little bit of window for you.
Dude, the lake is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, I felt it, bro. That was next level.
You want to try?
Yeah. No, I don't want to try. I think I'm gonna make it a mess.
Okay. So, do you want to do it again?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Okay.
Alright, fuck.
Okay. Ready?
No. Alright, that was next level.
Okay.
That really was next level. that we ever had. Oh my god. David, did you see that? That's a huge one. Is it poisonous? What's up, dude? You wanna fly to Durant? Is that poisonous?
That's
I don't think
hilarious.
so. That is so... We need to take a picture, you and me. But okay, let's go inside and see.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here at Ardmore.
How you feeling today?
Dude, this, for me, it was an humbling experience.
Yeah.
That's the right word.
Yeah.
Because...
For everybody, first time.
How was your feeling for the first time?
Really excited. I don't know. It's a long time ago. I cannot remember.
How old were you?
Just 1 year ago, but now I fly a lot, so
Oh yeah.
I already forgot that experience. I think it's really exciting first time.
So after the flight is done, are you gonna go back home?
Yeah,
But we're gonna miss you.
I bet.
So I think we should come and meet you in China then.
Yeah.